Hi, I'm Lori.
And I'm Rick.
And we are Here We Go Again. Guys, we decided to bring to you a video on Gateway to the Smokies RV Park and Campground. While we were venturing around, we came across this campground and really thought it was a cute place to share with you all.
She thought it was cute. I think it's a gym.
I guess we'll let you all decide.
You guys can decide. But guys, if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can get all of our upcoming videos. But just stay tuned. We're getting ready to go jump in the Jeep and bring you this video. Thanks for watching.
Alright guys, here we go. Decided to show you the location a little differently this time off of Google Earth search. So here we are, we're in Pigeon, Tennessee on 321, and the turnoff is on Connor Heights Road. To be more specific, if it helps you on just going by landscapes or whatever, it is actually one of the last roads that exits off of 321 before you go towards Gatlinburg on that wooded area.
I think it's a great location, Lori, and like I say, we just stumbled upon this, and it is, I think, a gem of a campground.
We'll let them decide.
Okay. Well, you can leave us a comment
Yes.
if you think it's a gem or if you think it's cute. But we really like this campground. It, as you can tell, it's not very big. I mean, it's not, you're not going to get overwhelmed with so many campers, but you can get maybe a little overwhelmed with how close some of these sites are.
Yeah, some of them are pretty close to each other. And as you can see, there's some big size campers on these spots, but you can also see how they're side by side, not too much grass in between. So if you have dogs, you might want to make sure, if you want to have grass right next to your camper, just make sure there is a little area there for them. But the great thing about this are the trees. I mean, if you like shade, it was definitely cooler here than a lot of other areas when we were driving around. So, I mean, the trees are well developed. It's cooler here. You can tell that whenever you bring extra people to your campsite, it's a little tight fit for your cars and everything. But, you know, the thing you have to make sure about is when you make reservations, you definitely have to call ahead, because this is not an all year round campground.
No, it's not, Lori. And there was right around 60 different campsites and probably 8 to 10 cabins.
Yeah, I would say.
But as you can tell, the cabins are really nice, and the campsites vary. I mean, some will be all paved, and I believe those were your premium sites, but some of them are gravel, some of them have paved little patios, and each and every campsite has its own fire ring and picnic table, as you could tell. And I believe all of them were full hookup with internet and cable TV as well.
Yes.
Which is a plus.
Which most of your campers have slide outs now, so there's definitely room for your slide out, so that wouldn't be a concern either.
Yeah. They do have 30 and 50 amp sites. One thing they do have, which we love, and we're starting to see at a lot more campgrounds, is a dog park.
Yeah.
Which we really enjoy to let our dogs get outside and play, and we try to get them out as much as we possibly can. But they do have bathhouses, and they have a pretty nice laundry room here, just in case you've been out for a while and you just need to throw out and do some laundry.
If you have stinky kid feet.
And we all pretty much probably do.
Yes, stinky kid feet, especially my children.
Yes, and they do have some tent sites available as well. But they do have a little general store, which is pretty nice if you need some accessories, or you get a busted water line or whatever in your hose. You can go and easily replace it.
And if you forget your firewood or didn't get a bag of ice, they have that as well there. and cable television. Did you say cable television?
I did, Lori. You know me and TV.
Because my sister freaked out this past weekend somewhere. She didn't have TV. So definitely cable television.
Yes, but one thing that I really enjoyed and loved about this park was the swimming pool and the playground area for the kids. The pool was nice, very relaxing, but I love swimming and watching the kids play on the playground and having a beautiful view of the Smoky Mountains.
Definitely, guys. They have a nice little pool here. Plus, kids get bored with the pool, they go to the playground, get bored of the playground, or they get hot, they come back to the pool. So if you just want to lounge and relax by the pool and watch them play and swim, you got it.
Yeah, guys, this is a bargain. The price is about $40 to $55 per night, depending upon the season and the night. But we really appreciate you guys watching, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. And until next time, safe travels.
We'll see you later, guys. Bye.